You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. Ready to supercharge your nutrition game? First up, let's talk fruits. These colorful goodies are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Ever heard the phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? It's true. Next, veggies. Think of them as nature's multivitamins. Leafy greens like spinach and kale give you iron and calcium. Yum! Now, onto meat. Lean proteins like chicken and fish help build strong muscles and keep you feeling full. Remember, balance is key, so don't overdo it. And let's not forget starches. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice give you energy to power through your day. So, there you have it. A simple guide to a balanced diet. Eat a variety, stay healthy, and enjoy every bite. Catch you next time, health enthusiasts.